Sikuja Rashid, Jambo Simon, Matombo Abdul, Mathali Davis, Yusi Wagala.
My Lord Chairman, all court members, today we are ready to receive the sentence.
6. The convicts have spent 3 years, 4 months and 8 days on remand to custody. 7. That a sentence of 5 years imprisonment is appropriate on count 1 of treachery for each convict. 8. That a sentence of 4 years imprisonment is appropriate on count 2 of unlawful possession or ammunition for each convict. 9. That a period of 16 months for mitigating factors is appropriate. Therefore, after deducting the period of 3 years, 4 months and 8 days spent on remand to custody, and further deducting a period of 16 months for mitigating factors, this court hereby sentences each of you as follows. On count 1, each of you is sentenced 3 months, 22 days imprisonment. On count 2, each of you is sentenced a caution. You have a right of appeal within 14 days if you are not satisfied with the decision of this court. You so wrote down at not in this 23rd day of October 2024 under my hand and seal of this court.
Obusibe bwe tukoze bungi tekyalisaanye kuddayo mu kkomera ebbanga batusibye ddene. Tusaba omukulembeze w'eggwanga tulaajana tuboneredde ennaku gye tulabidde mu kkomera nnene. Tusaba minisita w'abaana n'abavubuka Balaam Barugahara tukubira omulanga eri CDF w'eggwanga Muhoozi Kainerugaba abeeyo atusaasire tusonyibwe tuboneredde ebintu byaffe byaggwawo buli kimu kye twalina kyaggwawo kyasaanawo muzeeyi tusonyibwe tusaasire tuboneredde ennaku gye tulabye mu kkomera nnyingi ennaku gye tulabidde mu kkomera nnyingi tusaba tusonyibwe muzeeyi tuboneredde
my lawyer. I convicted the 16. The 16. I'm not among of 16.
Machete, kakana. Machete, kakana. It's okay, you just keep quiet. You just leave it. Kakana.
Bano bebata sayoti akomawo. Kuchitegede bulungi katate kuntwala kamaanyi.
Kakana.
No problem, sir. The Cassandra and the neighbor about the Tebamari. Easy.
Watch our head.
It's going to be a